All right, we are currently watching a stock that is up almost 3,000% right now since the market opened. I was totally not expecting anything like this. I'm sure nobody was expecting something like this. This thing was moving. I remember watching this like back down in here around between $8 to $10, and now I'm checking back. This thing is at $260. It topped out at $260. This is a crazy move. I haven't seen something like this in a very long time, probably since 2021 market. Crazy. Let's check out the news that is on Top Financial Group. Let's pull up. Looks like shares of low float stock Top Financial are trading higher on abnormally high volume. Traders are circulating an article on China's Sina dated April 25th, citing Zhongyang Financial Group's additional issuance was approved by the U.S. SEC. So I'm actually not quite sure why it's so significant. It doesn't really give you much insight on what that company is. What does Zhongyang's Financial Group additional issuance approved by the U.S. SEC? Why is that so significant that the stock is up 3,000%? That is crazy. But here we are and witnessing a stock that's up 3,000%. MEGL also is up significantly after hours. And this could be really good for momentum tomorrow. So momentum tomorrow, we could see, a lot of continuation or sympathy momentum. I think MEGL could make a decent move. We don't have any fresh news on it, but it's up in sympathy, and it is up about 278% after hours. And this is the type of action that you want to see, coming into a hot day. I think tomorrow really could be an active day, definitely a risk-on type of day. If the momentum is there, this is a good sign that the momentum is going to be there. But obviously, you want to wake up and assess the market before you start trading, and we'll see what happens from there. But for sure. Hey Dwayne, what's going on? Yeah, crazy move on top. But yeah, like as I was saying, if I'm a short seller tomorrow, I am definitely not shorting the first pop on anything. I am waiting and kind of sitting on my hands, and so that may give some of these stocks a little bit more room to run. Recently, the past few days, any sort of pop we would see an immediate false breakout, or wouldn't go very far until we saw the backside of the move. So seeing these types of moves here that are running 3,000%, if I'm a short seller, I'm going to be definitely pause off for a while until we start seeing signs of a backside. I'm not going to be, we wouldn't be wanting to short like the first pop. So as a long, it's definitely good to see, and you could definitely get some more action throughout the day if the shorts aren't as aggressive as they were. Like some of these other stocks, BXRX just got hammered on the first day. It gapped up. UCAR didn't last very long. HILS didn't last very long. All those are pops and drops, nothing holding up. CFRX also not really holding up too well. So this one that does make that big move is the one that would probably blew somebody up. Definitely, some short sellers probably got caught up in here in the $20 level, maybe the $15 level, and now they're stopping out max loss into after hours where the liquidity is not as good, and price is just getting higher and higher and higher. And since it's so thin, as shorts are getting squeezed out, it can make such a bigger move because of the low liquidity. But crazy that we did see this. Today, I'm actually finishing small green up 73.46. Small green today. I made it on CFRX and HILS and a little bit on UCAR. So a lot of small gains adding up. UCAR got this move in here for the initial break, but I actually stopped trading it around here, around 10:30. I pretty much threw in the towel and kind of called it from there. There was a little more action on it, but it wasn't the cleanest. CFRX also very, very, very choppy here. I made a little bit on the pullback here to the 9 EMA and catching the false breakout, selling on the false breakout, and then that was pretty much it from there. We also had HILS, caught a dip on HILS down here, right off the 9 EMA and selling into the next pop for a few cents. And also, adding up to a small green day, which is good. Yesterday I had a red day, so did keep it small though. On that red day yesterday, I was able to recoup that loss and a lot more, a little bit more, to make up for that red day yesterday. But tomorrow, the game plan. Tomorrow, the game plan is I'm gonna wake up, gonna look at my scanner and see what's moving. See how top did overnight, see how MEGL did overnight, see if there's any other sympathy momentum. I don't think I'm going to be trading top. I don't think I'm going to be trading top if it's $260, $225. It would just be so expensive. And my statistics show me that I don't do good after stocks after like $10. So my main watch, if we're going to be playing for sympathy, is going to be MEGL. It has a history of making a big move, but there's no recent catalyst. So it also depends, how is it holding up, pre-market into the open as well. So we'll also take a look at if there's any fresh gappers at 7 a.m. and if there's something with a solid catalyst, I think that will have a chance to make a big move. So it could be a risk-on type of day tomorrow, and I'm kind of ready for that and ready to hit that gas pedal even harder than I did the last time. We had a big move like this on GFAI that triggered a lot of momentum in the market. I was able to do well during those few weeks, but this time, I'm a little more comfortable, more confident in myself, so I think I can push it even harder than that, and we'll see how it goes. But that's just the video I wanted to make today, just to kind of, review my small green day today, and then also take a look at top. Top, I looked at it. Someone was calling out in the Discord. By the way, if you guys want to join the Discord, you can join with the link down in the description. But someone was calling it out. I was like, top, $200. $200, I just saw it when I was at $10 a share. How is that $200? And there it is, $260. Crazy stuff. So I'm definitely excited for tomorrow, and I'm going to be definitely waking up on time for the 7 a.m. pre-market trading session on Thinkorswim. So I'll be here in the Discord tomorrow, 7 a.m., trading and chatting with you guys. So join the Discord if you're not yet a Discord member. So yeah, that's all I had to say. Hope you guys did well today, and tomorrow be ready, because we might see something big tomorrow. We might see some good sympathy tomorrow. So hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys